Next up is Casey Tyler, who's studying fashion and apparel studies. Casey, the time is yours.
Hi, everyone. Who enjoys eating fish? Crab? Maybe shrimp? Well, how about a little bit of plastic on top? Because that's soon to be on the menu. Every time we wash our clothes, millions of tiny fibers called microfibers or microplastics are released into our waterways. These microfibers are being found in our oceans, our drinking waters, and even our seafood. Now, most studies tend to look at what clothes are made of, like cotton versus polyester, but very few studies actually look at how clothes are made. As a knitwear designer and researcher, this is where I come into play. My research tends to look at how different stitch structures like jersey, rib, and interlock, and knitting techniques like cut and sew and whole garment affect these shedding techniques. Now, we plan to use a standardized testing method that will account for both mass and count to find out which design choices offer us the best solutions. If denser stitches and whole garment knitting offer less shedding as we expect, then we'll be able to offer designers and manufacturers a better blueprint for creating more inherently sustainable designs that will help clean up pollution from the start rather than dealing with it after the fact. The aim of this research is to combine material science with sustainable design to clean up our oceans one sweater at a time. Sustainability should not just look good, it should hold up in the wash. Thank you all.
All right, thank you so much, Casey.